Hello and welcome to the official YouTube channel of Titanium Institute of Spoken English Language. I am Himanshu Paliwal here. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Guys, today we have chosen a very stunning or a hot topic, we can say that is election in university, pros and cons. So we have two brilliant spokesperson between us. One side Mr. Mayank is here, another side Mr. Shubham is here. Guys, one thing I want to mention in the starting of this video, that is if you have any topic or suggestion, feedback, question, anything else, so must share in the comment section. And one more thing, that we always need your honest feedback, so don't forget to give your feedback. So directly going from Shubham side, Shubham, you are going to favor. Okay, so please initiate this topic.
Hello, I am favoring this topic. College elections must be in the colleges. So my first point is that due to college elections, the person who wants to go ahead in the politics have an opportunity at a big stage to develop their communication skills and the things needed in a politician. Okay. And my second point is that due to college elections, we have a leader and a group of leaders who can wire our news and student problems to the administration directly, so they can solve our problems and help us. That's all from my side.
Okay, so 2 points came from Shubham's side. One is that is of leadership quality, and second is students representative. Any counter question, Mr. Mayank?
Yeah, nicely spoken by you, sir. But I have a simple question, that by doing elections, how will they manage their studies? Yeah, I have a simple question.
So you are talking about the studies. So college elections are not will be there for the whole year. It is an extracurriculum activity, so they can manage their classes or studies after the elections.
Absolutely.
Okay, so now it's my turn to speak. So I'm in oppose of that motion, and why it is so? Let's have some points. So my first and foremost point is the great impact on their academics. How? If a person is completely involved in elections, then he will cut himself completely from his studies, and eventually it will result in a bad impact on his overall mark sheet, and it will lead to the failure of got admission in the good companies. So this will definitely be harmful for a particular person. And my second point is about the corruption. Like a great politician said, that power corrupts and absolute power corrupts absolutely. So what I want to say is that if a student, as a student mentality is that we want to gain more and more things. So if we have a power in our hands, so we want more powers. So what will we do? We will try to indulge in more and more such activities from which we can get powers, and which we will ultimately harm the normal students of the colleges. So that's all from my side. If you have any question, you are most welcome, sir.
Wow, very nice. 2 points you have mentioned. One point is of misuse of power, yeah, and second point is of
Studies.
academics. We can say the studies there. So any question, Mr. Shubham?
Yes, sir, as you talk about your points. So if there will be no elections, then how the people who wants to go ahead in the politics will grab that opportunity on the big stage?
Yeah. So you are talking about the opportunity. So first of all, I would like to say that there are only few colleges in India where elections are being conducted. If I talk about the most top institute of India, like IITs, IIMs and AIMS, they are not at all conducting elections. Why? Because they are focusing just on their academics and improving their qualities, skills, and getting placements in good companies like Google, Microsoft, Apples, etc. But and there too are government colleges. So if we talk about the low colleges, they conduct elections, but what results in that, they don't get placements in good companies, and they now destroy their future, and they take 2 to 3 years after completion of their graduations to get good placements. Yeah.
Okay, I would like to ask you one question. Leaders of future India. Elections in colleges and universities is the first step, I can say, in a politics for the students. So somewhere it's good. If there will be no leader, then how the country will run, how the people will follow the rules and regulations. So somewhere leader and leadership quality comes from the college and universities.
Yeah.
How will you justify?
Sir, first of all, I would like to say that, as you said, that we require a leader. So a leader will, what will he do? He will try to interact with more and more people. So he will, yes, he wants to become a politician. It's good for him. But what if that he is taking advantage of all other peoples who are not involved, who are not interested in politics, but they are involved with him because he wants a team for work who can work for him. So what about the other peoples who are just his friends, but they are not interested at all in politics, but they are helping him by keeping besides their studies. So eventually they are harming their studies for his friends.
Okay.
Yeah.
Any question?
Yes, sir. As Himanshu sir said that if we don't have any leaders in the colleges, then who will wire our news and problems at a big stage to the administration?
Yeah, good questions. But I have an answer for this. Like if you said that who will wire our news directly to the administration. So I want to say that if a person don't know how to wire his problems directly to the administration, and he is completely dependent to his representative, then we all know that college is of only 4 years, and after the college ends, then who will wire his news in behalf of him or her? Then eventually what he has to take certain actions for himself. He has to fight for his rights individually. No one will help after the college, so he will learn to be an independent in the college itself.
Okay. Okay.
I have a question.
Yes, sir.
Like I have asked about the studies. Now what if a person's mind, as a student, if we get power and money from the administration, then eventually there is a chances of getting corrupt. The mentality can be corrupt. So how will you counter this question?
Okay, so you are talking about the corruption. So it is the college election. I don't think so that the much more corruption will be included in this, because the student will not be able to get money from any other students and from administration. They only have to work for their image and for student welfare. That's all.
Is it so, sir?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay, guys, you both spoke very amazingly, very tremendously. Your points are too good, actually. If I conclude this topic, then one thing I want to mention that it's one first step of the in politics for the students. Okay, studies can affect, because whenever you are curious to do something, then your time will waste, or you may invest. Somehow the people are investing their time, somehow they are wasting their time in elections also. But we are living in a democratic country, and if the elections are held by the college and universities, so somewhere it's have a good quality, good motto is there. One is of leadership quality, communication skills, a good representative or group, we can say that future leaders. Okay, but as the Mayank also mentioned the point of corruption, in the name of the election, students are misusing the power. Even they are distributing leakers, and many newses we have heard in televisions, news channels. So ultimately, both the points are productive. You both mentioned the very good points. I request to our viewers that if you have any counter question from both of their stuff, then you may ask. Don't end this GD in this video. Write your points, questions, suggestion, feedback on the comment section also. Thank you for watching this video. Keep watching, keep learning. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much.